welcome back to my channel once again. As you can see that today it is raining and you can see my wonderful matka, and it is used to fill the water and to just go here and there in this just like rainy season. It is just like an awesome experience, as you can see, because I have committed to post and to upload daily videos. So here I'm shooting this video also on daily basis, and today even if it is raining too. So see how much I love my fam. So guys, you can see one more thing, that right now it is raining, but I don't even care. Right now I'm just barefoot. So you can see that how much I just love barefoot, and there must be some type of benefit. That's why I'm just barefoot. And during this corona period, it is just must to be barefoot, fight to this disease. This is a very chronic disease, and to fight it and to just boost up your immunity system, you just need to be strengthen your body, and that what you just have to be opt for, that is for a barefoot life. So you should also be a barefoot for 24/7/365. You just try at your home first of all, then you can just try outside also, as I'm just trying here in my roof. It is just giving me natural feeling of just moving around in the streets too. It is just having the same thing. So here I'm just moving here and there in my roof. So guys, today's task will be all about the rainwater only, because you can see it is right now raining. So what I thought is, because you just love my idea of yesterday of the Slo Mo, of that tapping on the rainwater of my bare feet, so you just like that idea too. So what I thought is that I should use this idea again, and I should again tap my feet inside that rainwater, because it is locked only. Before that, last night also it was raining in Patna, Bihar, India. So I thought that I should use that. And you can see that this desi culture, this matka, how much I just love it. And while just carrying it, I just had a feeling when I used to draw a scenery in my childhood about a village or something. I'm just gonna go some type of village if I'll be having a chance of to go, and I'll just share my views also while being in a village and being a villager life. I'll share definitely super soon after the lockdown. So guys, here you can see my soles properly, because you told me to show you my soles. So here you can see it, and you can even see that how much healthy they are right now. And there is a natural hard padding which makes me feel to move around here and there without any preservation of shoes of itself, without any custody of any footwear. That's what I just love it. And I'm just feeling the nature. See, I'm just scratching there the floor, and I'm just feeling very much good that I'm just scratching on the floor, and it is feeling very much good. It is just making my body temperature also very, very cool, and I'm just feeling a lot of pleasure while doing it. So guys, one thing more that you have asked me about, which product you use generally for your skin, because you asked me a lot about the skincare too. So first of all, I just want to tell you that whatever the product you use for your skin, it should be organic one, and if it is a chemicalized one or something a paraben something, then you should avoid it. And this product is from Mamaearth. You can just purchase from Amazon itself. It is having a lot of vitamin C. It is just made up of that only. The main component is that only. Along with that, there is ginger as well as cucumber. So these are the extracts it is having. Let me unbox it and show you quickly. So this is the main product. This is a Mamaearth product, and you can see that there is a pump system too. So what you have to do is you have to open it like this. Now you have to press it, and it will pump some of product, and the product is in the form of foam only. So you have to just apply it clockwise circular motion, and that's it. After that, 2 to 3 minutes of massage as your requirement only, you can just wash it off. That's it, and it will give you a radiant effect and a perfect brightness too in just seconds. This product is also having turmeric, so you can see that it is having all type of natural products only, like the glycerin, like the ginger, like the lemon, means all type of only original organic products only. So that's what I like about this product, and what I just love about this product. This is organic. So good vibes are just coming on your way. So just catch, open your heart, open your ears, just hear the voice, just see the nature, how beautiful it is, and how many natural weapons you are having. So be ready for this video without waiting. So guys, hope you like this video of this like natural environment as well as this barefoot activity which I just performed in this video, and maybe it will be helpful for some who are just like going to be a barefooter soon. So if you like this video, do comment, share and subscribe to my channel right away, and do take care of yourself, because this is the time when you should take care of yourself most, because if you're healthy everything is good. And be barefoot always, and try to be barefoot if you're new. Bye for now, take care.